So today we're gonna make mint spirulina ice cream. So you're gonna need a blender or a magic bullet, something that has a lot of power to it. We're gonna be using cashews that have soaked overnight. So this recipe does require a little bit of prep. These have been soaking for probably 17 hours or so. And you can see they're kind of squishy. They're soft, so you want to get them to be like that, and they kind of turn a little bit whiter when they soak. Take a cup of cashews and let it soak in distilled or filtered water overnight, and we're gonna drain the water out of these. And so once you've drained it, you can put that cup of cashews right into your blender, and then we're gonna take 1.5 teaspoons of coconut butter and also 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil. And then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is basically our sugar. Then we're gonna take 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint flavor, not extract. If you're using extract, don't use quite as much. Or you can use the same amount and then just don't use mint leaves. And then we're gonna use about 1 stick of mint leaves. And now for the powerhouse ingredient, we're gonna use about 1/8 of a teaspoon of spirulina, so just a little tiny bit, just for some color and for the health benefits, of course. And depending where you get your spirulina from, it can be different. We're using Cosmic Nectar spirulina, so certain spirulinas can be a different hue. And now we're gonna blend it. Okay, so get it in a container that you can put in the freezer. And I'm gonna add some sweet nibs. You can also add regular dark nibs or any kind of little chocolate that you might want. I'm just gonna sprinkle them on. Because you should stir this every couple hours, so they'll get stirred into the mixture. So just check on it in the freezer every couple hours and kind of stir it a little bit if you want. Hey folks, so our mint chocolate chip ice cream is done today. It's very green. You want to heat your scooper up. You want to run it under warm water before you start scooping, and then it's ready to serve. I like to decorate mine with a little mint leaf.